Oh, look at that man.
Thank you.
It is the Saturday after homecoming week. We had a pretty good homecoming. It was a lot of fun. We won the football game, and I got to play some, scored a touchdown. It was a great time. This will be our third Saturday this week. Right now we're working on transitions.
Here's what I'm wondering. During this transition, great, that's down, bring up 2, good, lights.
And we're making some good progress. I think we're going to be all right for regionals.
Aruba, Jamaica.
Not as fancy and nice as the bad guys, but we got a boat.
Howdy. You finished packing.
You're Romani, aren't you?
Only recently. Do you want to just run the scene until we're ready?
Are we ready?
Yeah. To the wings.
No. Ready?
To the wings.
All right.
Yeah, we're ready.
It's Chaucer in
It is. It's when he's
A Knight's
doing
Tale.
it. Yes, that's
Yeah.
right.
So what's happening right now is my parents are here. My mom does the costumes. She has for years whenever we do a show that requires specific costumes, like this one, which is set in the 40s. And so we have to be period specific. And so she's done a great job.
I don't have mine yet, but some of the other costumes look good.
I love these costumes so much.
Oh, did I bring your pizza?
Hubris, you look like a man.
I do have my monk's robe. I look like Obi-Wan Kenobi.
It is about, I want to say 3:30.
Army guys on the narration are moving this. Can I hear the narration? This is after it's free. Oh. Or whatever.
What page was that?
I don't know.
It's just hard. Everybody's so new. I hate that. I mean, I'm new, so.
Good. All right. Let's have you over here, right? And you're just and then like you're following the body. You two look at each other like you guys are resistance fighters, right? Like you know how dangerous it is out there. You're trying to keep your family alive through this whole war, but at the same time you're trying to do the right thing by saving people. Theatrical instead of just you're following the crowd. This is what I'm talking about. This is great interaction, right? This makes it real.
Oh, you mean like move it out?
Because I'm going to go from here straight back and over.
Yeah.
And I need that door to be moved at least a little bit out of the way so I can go straight back.
Okay.
Okay, does that make sense? So you're giving yourself stuff to do. You need to get to your spot in darkness so that when the lights come up, you're there.
Reminds me of my wagon.
Let's run this and see what happens.
The thing is, am I changing?
You are.
Okay.
Oh, you're actually doing.
Let's pick it back up with wherever we just were.